Chapter 3. Plant Products. Plants provide the raw materials for making a variety of products. The clothes you wear, the rubber tires on cars, and the paper on which this book is printed all come from plants. Substances such as sap, gum, resin, oils, fibers, and bark are removed from plants and turned into other products. They range from varnishes, paints, and disinfectants to oils used in perfumes and food flavorings. Chemically treating plant parts can produce products that neither look nor feel like plants. Rubber, paint, and cork products come from plants. Rayon is made by mixing cellulose with chemicals. It is easy to dye and wears well. The outer covering of plant cells is made of cellulose. Chemical compounds made from cellulose are used in adhesives, plastics, paints, foods, clothing fibers, and photographic film. The clear paper known as cellophane is also made from cellulose. One of the most useful fibers made from cellulose is rayon. It is used mainly in furniture coverings and clothing. Rayon cord adds strength to tires. Industrial products from plants. Fuel. Paper. Paper, which is made from trees, is one of the best examples of a plant product that looks and feels nothing like a plant. The first paper was made in China in 105 CE. Tree bark and water were mixed together and then drained on bamboo matting. Today, huge plantations of certain trees are grown specifically for the paper industry. Trees are cut down and transported to paper mills. There, the bark is stripped off and the wood chipped. It is mixed with water to make a mushy pulp that is then flattened and dried. Different types of paper may have other ingredients added to them. Banknotes are strengthened with cloth, and cardboard is made from thick paper hardened with glue. Waste paper, which amounts to about a third of people's garbage, can be easily recycled. The paper is shredded and the ink removed by chemicals. However, the process is expensive, so the recycled paper is expensive. Plant fibers. Many plants contain useful fibers in their seeds, stems, and leaves. Fibers can be soft and durable at the same time, so they have many uses. They are used to make clothing, mats, ropes, and baskets, to name just a few things. Cotton is the most widely worn fabric in the world. A soft, absorbent material, it is also used to make sheets and towels. The fibers form as white fluff attached to the cotton seeds. Flax leaf fibers are made into a strong, attractive material called linen. Clothing, handkerchiefs, and tablecloths are made of linen. The tough fibers of hemp, jute, and sisal were traditionally made into twine, sacks, and ropes. Manila, which comes from the leaf stems of the abaca plant grown in the Philippines, is now the most widely used natural fiber for making ropes. Manila ropes are 80% stronger than those made of sisal. Raffia, which is made from dried palm leaves, is used for garden twine or woven into mats. Preparing sisal fibers for use involves soaking, drying, and scraping them before they can be woven. Chapter 4. Medicines. There is a long history of people using plants to make themselves well. The ancient Greeks, Romans, Egyptians, and Chinese kept records of plant remedies. They may have discovered them through trial and error, or by observing what plants sick animals ate. Plants were used as medicines in different ways. Certain roots and leaves were either eaten raw or cooked and drunk as tea. Other leaves and mosses were applied to the body to heal wounds. Some were used as bandages. The plants growing in this garden, which is a recreation of an ancient garden, have medicinal uses. The Native American shaman had extensive knowledge of healing plants, which the shaman often guarded closely. In different places in the world, certain plants have been used for the same medicinal purposes for centuries. Other plants have spread far from their origins. The Romans took garlic, known for its germ-killing properties, to Europe. Ginger, often used to flavor soft drinks, was first grown in Asia. Some people think that ginger can calm an upset stomach. European explorers brought back many plant remedies from the Americas. These included quinine to treat malaria and witch hazel to stop bleeding and heal burns and bruises. Later, Native Americans introduced settlers to plants such as goldenrod, slippery elm, and snakeroot, which became standard pioneer remedies. Nature's Pharmacy. Today, many drugs are based on plants. New chemical processes are able to remove the active ingredients from plants. Scientists can also copy the substances found in plants and make synthetic medicines. They are often cheaper than the natural medicines.